I think they're on the phone with our dispatch, and they said they're nearing that. They're nearing that crane thing.
Battalion 2.
Yeah. Pause here. Copy. It's down about mid-bridge of I-90. Harbor 1, they're taking on water.
Yeah, Harbor 1, they are now bailing out of the loop. They do have a dial.
Harbor, we're to your north. Harbor 1, do you copy?
Harbor 1, copy the rest. We're on scene right now.
Hold on to your float. Hold on to your float. Hold on.
Who else we got in the water? Come here. Sit right here. Sit right here. Sit down. Sit down.
I just called the caller back. They weren't being cooperative. They said that.
Hang on. Just relax, man. Relax.
Motion 3, just making sure you copy the updates to your call.
You're all right. Calm down. We got you. Relax. No, hold on. Hey, hold on. Just don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. We got you. Hold on. We got you. We got you. We got you. Ready? 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 Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Get on here. Get on here.
Okay. See, they're all on board. You're good, okay? You're all on board. See, he's totally fine. Look at him. Happy little babe, okay?
Yeah, come on.
2x4s and knives.
Hi, guys.
Have those in his hands now. Okay, bye.
Come on over, we'll pass them over and get them warmed up. Is anybody hurt?
Bigger guy.
We're gonna take the little one to the warm rig, okay?